If you want to add a widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy A57, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. The first method is to press and hold your finger on an empty space, and then once we go into this editing mode, we should be able to find widgets at the bottom of the screen. Once we go over here, we can find some example widgets at the top. We can also scroll down in order to see and go through the list of different apps that we have installed, and apps that of course include some widgets, that offer some widgets. So we can tap on any of these apps in order to find these widgets that the app offers. And if you want to add something, all you have to do is you just have to, for example, press and hold your finger on that widget, just like that, and then we can drop it anywhere, or you can tap on the widget in order to just add it to the home screen immediately. Of course, we can still adjust the position of the widget. We can also resize it if, at least in some cases, we can resize it. In some cases, resizing is limited, and in some cases, resizing is not possible at all. Now, the second method is that we need to press and hold our finger on the app from which we want to get the widget. So if I already know that I want to get, let's say, a widget from Spotify app, then I can press and hold my finger on Spotify. And then over here, if the app offers widgets, then you should be able to find widgets option in here. So I can tap here and then I can choose the widget that I want to add. So let's say I'm gonna use this 4x2. And there we go, I'm gonna drag it and place it in here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.